Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Magic School AI. In order to do so, here we are at magicschool.ai, and let's just go through the homepage here and get an idea of what Magic School is all about. So the magic of AI to help schools with communication, differentiation, saving time, the most loved, secure, and trusted AI platform for schools. So here you can sign up as a teacher, or if you want to sign up as a school, then you can come here and do that. You can sign up for free. Loved by over 4 million educators and their students, the award winning, most used, and most loved AI platform for schools in the world, educators use Magic School to help lesson plan, differentiate, write assessments, write IEPs, communicate clearly, and more. And now use Magic School for students to drive student outcomes and build AI literacy with responsible AI experiences built and monitors by teacher. See the wall of love. So you can see here a little bit the wall of love, different people who have taken advantage of this. Quite honestly, this to me is not surprising that this is something that is becoming more prevalent. I can definitely see how educators might take advantage of AI in their curriculum, making their life easier. I do believe that this is the future of education, is AI assisted education. And that's really quite profound. And the implications there are very far reaching. There's a lot that we could unpack here as far as how AI can impact education. And I would argue that it's not necessarily a bad thing because, the fact is when it comes to education, sometimes there's some question about the information that you are gaining access to. And so if AI is something that can help educators and students with more refined, vetted information in the curriculum. I mean, that to me seems like it has the potential to be quite transformative. Let's keep on looking here. So, your one stop shop for AI in education. Teachers of all subjects and grade levels can curate a dashboard of useful, continually updated AI tools all in one place. Save time and fight teacher burnout. Lighten your load with the help of Magic School's AI teaching assistant so you can shine where it matters the most with your students. Bring responsible AI to your students. Our Magic School for Students platform promotes responsible AI literacy and aids in learning without replacing students' critical thinking skills. Effortlessly, effortlessly generate, yeah, I put a little effort into that, effortlessly generate quality outputs. Our intuitive interface and guided prompts enable you to quickly tailor an output to meet your needs. Plus, the show and exemplar feature adds clarity and context to each tool for a frustration free experience. So, here, the most robust AI platform for education, the most comprehensive AI tool list for teachers. In just minutes, you can generate standards aligned lesson plans, academic content, assessments, individualized IEPs, professional student parent communication, and more. AI tools for students monitored by teachers provide personalized student support, tutoring, feedback, chatbots, and image generation, all customizable to meet the needs of your students. I mean, it's amazing to think of where we are right now. This is something when I was a kid, we certainly didn't have anything close to this, and it's something we could only dream of. But now here we are. The future has arrived, and AI is becoming something integrated into our education. So, for better or for worse, I do see that this has some very positive potential. But like anything, it's possible that it can be abused. But ultimately, I do see how AI is really poised to help in education and help teachers to teach and students to learn. So I think that there's some really strong potential there. I might have some questions about how this might be used and whether or not certain educators might reject this. I can certainly see that potential, but I also feel that this is something that, if used properly, can be incredibly powerful as a teaching tool. robust training resources with multiple certification courses, training options, video walkthroughs, community groups, and more. You're always supported. Integrations easily integrate Magic School into your workflows and existing tools, from LMS integrations like Google Classroom and Canvas LTI to one-click exports into Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and more. Let's see here, 93% privacy rating, built-in safeguards, compliant with a variety of things here regarding privacy, built to uphold robust privacy needs of schools and districts. Embrace responsible AI for schools. Join millions of educators who self-report saving 7 to 10 hours each week using Magic School to help lesson plan, differentiate, write assessments, write IEPs, communicate clearly, and more while having a measurable impact on student outcomes. Sign up for free. Let's go ahead and click on sign up for free. And here we can see I will be using Magic School AI as a student or as an educator. So very interesting here. This is for under age 18. I'm not sure exactly if this is just supposed to be tailored to people who are under 18. Let's go ahead and just take a look here as an educator, and that's going to bring us to our sign-in screen. So if you want to sign up for Magic School, I do think that this has the potential to be a very powerful tool, save you time, and help you to refine your lessons so that you're being more effective as an educator. And we'll leave it at that. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.